Upiaq language activity video tutorial for Tallimakipiaġutaiḻaq. The purpose of this activity is that learners will practice reading the Coctovic numerals and saying the number names from 0 to 10. The scorekeeper will need to be able to do mental math with the Coctovic numerals and say the sums that come up between 1 and 99. The students playing will hear the higher numbers being called out with the eventual goal of being able to take on the scorekeeper role. Players as young as 5 can play the game with varying levels of support. A group of 4 to 6 players is an ideal size. Ideally, students are able to read the Coctovic numerals and say the number names from 0 to 10. However, if needed, a teacher or other learner could support them in doing that. You also need a scorekeeper with the skills to add random numbers and say any number between 1 and 99. The needed materials are a deck of Tallimakipiaġutaiḻaq cards, a whiteboard marker and eraser for the scorekeeper, a calculator if the scorekeeper needs it, and a sheet with number names from 0 to 100 for the scorekeeper if needed. Before beginning to play, make sure that the players know what each card does. Go through each of the numeral cards, having the students practice reading the number name. Be sure to point out what the 99 card looks like. Go through the 4 special cards separately and explain when and how to use them. The Tallimakipiaġutaiḻaq card has a value of 99 and can only be used if you are the first player or if you are already going to lose. The Sweet Chook card can be used if you are trying to avoid losing because it has no value. The upiaq card is a reverse play card, and that can also save you if you're about to lose. And the kulit card can be used to add 10 or subtract 10, so it is also a powerful card to use in case you're about to lose. You shuffle the deck and deal 4 cards to each player, and then you place the deck in reach of all players. On their turn, players discard 1 card into a discard pile in the middle of the table. They say the name of the number they are discarding. They draw 1 card from the top of the deck to end their turn. The scorekeeper adds the value of the card to what is already on the discard pile, writes the sum of the values of the cards in the discard pile, and announces the current sum in an upiaq. The scorekeeper uses a whiteboard placed so that all players can see the current sum. The next player does not discard their card until the person keeping track of the sum has finished saying and writing the new sum. Play proceeds to the left until someone plays a upiaq or reverse card. Play reverses direction when this card is played. This game has a loser instead of a winner. The loser is the first person who makes the cards in the discard pile sum to go over 99. After someone loses, the discard pile is picked up, shuffled, and added to the draw pile. A new game is started with whoever was going to be the next player in the last round, and the direction of play from the previous round is maintained. The loser continues playing with the rest of the group. Now you'll see some footage of the game being played. This footage was filmed before we sent the game out to be professionally printed. You'll notice that the old cards were dark blue. The new cards are white. Another change that you'll notice is that the game used to have a card for skipping your turn, but we changed it to the 0 card.
There is no winner in this game. There's only a loser. And the loser is the person who is on their turn. They have no choice but to make this pile go over 99. If it's at 99, you're totally fine. But if you take it over 99, you lost. Okay? So now here are the special cards. We have Tallimakipiaġutaiḻaq, which means 99. So obviously, even if we only had a Tausik on here, if you played this card, you lost because you just took the pile over 99. So that means the only time you can use this card is if you're the first player. Now we can start the whole game out at 99, and you didn't lose. You can also use this card, sometimes I'm playing and I have 3 of these in my hand, and I just want to get rid of them. So when I'm going to lose anyway, I get rid of one of these, okay? The other special card is a skip your turn. Upiaq dunga. Skip my turn. So if the pile is at 99 and you have one of these, then you didn't lose, okay? Then the other special card is
Reverse.
upiaq during. Upiaq during. I'm not very good about saying these. I don't always say them when we're playing. So that's something I need to change so I get better at it. But this is a reverse play. So say it's my turn and David just made it 99. I can reverse play and now it's his turn again. Okay? And then the other special card is kulit, because kulit can be plus or minus. And so if it was at 99 and you put kulit down, you could bring it down to 89. So you keep 4 cards in your hand.
Just went that way.
What?
Let's just went that way.
Oh dear. You keep 4 cards in your hands at all times. So after every turn, pick up a new card. And I... Okay, itchakra, pinyaksigatin. Suli, pingasu is upiaq. Kulit pingasu. Akimiak malaro. Inyuinya katalsek. Inyuinya kulit. Inyuinya kulit pingasut. Inyuinya kakimiagutailaq. I know, you're still stuck with terrible cards.
I have just one cup.
Tallimakipiaġutaiḻaq pingasut. Tallimakipiaġutaiḻaq Tallimak.
I have all of them.
And you know, we just basically had to show how to keep the play going, so you don't have to worry about including this whole game. Go ahead. Whose turn is it now?
I just went.
Pinyaksigat. So itchakra, Tallimakipiaġutaiḻaq kulitatawsek. Suli Tallimak, wait a sec, wait for me to do my math. And that will be an important thing to have on the video. That the person doing the math, it's a hard job, so they have to wait. Tallimakipiaġutaiḻaq akimiak pingasut. Suli atawsek, pingakipiaġutaiḻaq. Suli Tallimak pingasut, pingakipiaġ.
I only have special cards.
Whoa. Pingakipiaġ Tallimak malawok. Are you for real? Are you stuck with 99?
No, use your green cards.
Use your green card. There we go, reverse the play. Now it's her turn. Suli pingasut malawok, pingakipiaġ kulit. Suli kulitatawsek, sisamakipiaġutaiḻaq. Oh, I was confused too. Suli malawok, sisamakipiaġ Tallimak malawok. Suli kulitatawsek, sisamakipiaġ akimiakatawsek. Oh, we're up to 96. Sisamakipiaġ akimiak malawok. 2 or lower, or a special card. Negative. Ooh, sisamakipiaġ Tallimak malawok. Sisamakipiaġ kulit.
He saved me.
You got something to save yourself there? You got anything? You only have 2 cards. You gotta have 4 at a time. You might have something in there that'll help you.